Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook post private. So if you want to post something on your Facebook here, so you want to private this post, so first of all I'm going to show you a method how to make a Facebook post private here if you're posting a new post here. So just tap on the what's on your mind option here, and if you want to upload a photo or video or something here, you can upload it. And as you can see, there's an option called public here. So if you upload something here in the Facebook here, this will be in public here. So if you want to change that, just tap on the public option here and you will see a lots of option here. So if you have to change the option to private here, just tap on see more here, and here you will see other option here with specific friends and friends exceptions. This means that if you want to choose what kind of friends or only what type of friends that you want to show your post here, then you have to choose the friend exception here or specific friends here. But if you want to share a post private here, you just have to choose only me option here. This means the post that you're gonna upload, nobody can see it, only you can see it on your profile here. And then again, if you want to private your older post here, you just have to tap on your profile here and then you have to scroll down, and as you can see there's some post here. So for example, this is my profile picture here. So if you have to tap on the right corner in the three dot menu here, as you can see, tap on it, and here you will see option called edit privacy, and as you can see there is exact the same option here, and you have to choose the only me option here to private this post here. So if you choose private option here, so just tap the only me option here. Or if you want to show your profile picture to specific friends here, you have to tap on the specific friends here and choose the friends from here. So you want to show your profile picture here. So to private here, just choose the only me option here. This is the only way to private your option here, and go back, and if you refresh your profile here, as you can see, now this post is now private here. Only you can see your profile picture here, other will not see it. And any other post is you want to private here, this is the option. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.